Installation of paging head power supply. Rotate the gear counterclockwise to secure the non-slip pads. Install the screws into the corresponding holes. Plug in the monitor power cable and printhead data cable. Plug in the main power cord. Power up, wait to connect the printhead PLC control. Click Auto Up to raise the printhead. Remove the printhead protective cushion. Turn off the power and remove the printhead protector. Accurately install the printhead into the right hole and secure it. Install the PCB board's SATA cable and connect it to the power supply. Insert one end of the PCB into the connector slot into the printhead interface. Install the printhead fixing screws and tighten them. Install the PCB board and tighten the screws. Observe whether the printhead is parallel to the base plate and should not be tilted. Turn on the printhead power and run the page-wide software. Wait for connection. Click the bottom left button to view the connection status. Add the corresponding color ink in order. Insert the ink pressure tube. Click on Ink Press setting, select Printhead 1, and start ink pressing. Press the ink 6 times, each time interval of 30 seconds. After inking, pull out the inking tube. Wipe the nozzle. With a cleaning cloth soaked in warm water at about 50 degrees centigrade and rinse well. Wipe the nozzle about 3 times. Power on the printhead and wait for the printhead control panel to connect. Click Auto Up to raise the printhead to a suitable position and stop it. Activate the belt switch and run the belt. Run the conveyor belt for 2 revolutions. Make sure the belt is clean and free of debris. Pause the conveyor belt. Place the print material directly under the sensor as shown in the video. Turn on the suction switch. The material will be tightly adhered to the conveyor belt, more flat. Click on Auto Down and set the printhead to a contact distance of 3 mm. Note, this is for reference only and needs to be adjusted according to the actual situation. Start the conveyor belt and exit the material. Close the conveyor belt. Open the page wide, software. Insert the test material. Click on Spray. After 2 seconds, click again. A printhead has 6 sets of nozzles. The video machine has 3 heads, all totaling 18 groups.
Open the page-wide software and wait for the connection.
Select the image to print, enter the number of prints, and click Print. Activate the suction switch, conveyor, and separation heads. Overlapping lines appear, indicating that the height of the printhead is below 3 mm and needs to be adjusted. Click Jog up 3 times to raise the value of current position and increase the corresponding value of lowest position. To modify, click lowest position and enter the password 8888. Fill in the increased value. E. G. 47加 0.3 等于 47.3